Funky Fidgets shop, and this is an unboxing of an order that I made. Oh, that fell. Oh, come out. Come out, come out. Come out wherever you are. All right, time to see what we got. We got some of these Muffic puzzle pieces because I needed more. Oh my gosh, a glow in the dark one is so cute. I love these. Anyways, I'll have to figure out what I want to open first. That's like in a wrapper. So I got squishies. And I got this freebie. I'm not sure what it is. Ooh, this is cute. Little sticker, some dino. I think this is also a dino, or was it an elephant? Elephant.